Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Today I have very interesting clips. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
Oh.
I was making a collective phone call to my great
What is
babushka.
What, babushka? You speak Russian? What? Didn't expect that.
Sure.
Oh, right. I should go check on the ingredients though. Just make sure we have stuff.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yep. You stay here. You can man that thingy.
Because I was planning it to be, or
Wait,
thinking that it would be.
someone-
Oh, we have some coffee in here. Is it still warm? I could use some coffee right now.
Yeah, go for it. Drink it. Whose
Alright.
car is this?
Oh,
Oh my god! He's still doing it! He's still doing it! No way! Holy Jesus! Holy Jesus!
Oh my god!
We gotta get Mel! We gotta get Mel!
Oh no, it's falling!
Georgia, get in the driver's seat!
Oh, okay.
Let's get one of these bikes. Hello, good sirs. Okay. Oh, what? You can fight back? Oh God! Oh God! I didn't know they would fight back.
We're gonna
Hey,
get
Shelly.
drunk today.
It's Fingal Dan.
Fingal?
Yes,
Let's go. We're getting changed for
I'm being my true self.
What?
Yeah, I've got heels on. What's the big deal?
Nothing.
Get with
You
the
just
picture, you know.
looked like Shelly. I thought.
Listen, man, we gotta sell freaking burgers.
Yeah, that's
If
true.
I gotta push my tits up and put on a pair of heels to bring in some freaking customers, I'm gonna do it. God damn it!
Okay. Good luck, Fingal.
Thank you. You know.
Getting stuck with nothing, you know? So, yeah. Alright. Oops. Oh! I'm so sorry! We gotta keep driving! We gotta keep driving! Oh! Keep driving, keep driving! Holy Jesus! Holy Jesus, that was an accident! Holy Jesus! Just keep driving, keep driving, keep driving. Just keep driving. They can't catch up. They're busy chasing someone else. Oh, jeez! Oh, God! Or anything, so we literally can't sell it to them if we don't have it. Oh!
Holy fuck! Who is that?
Sorry, that was... I wasn't trying to interfere. How does this keep happening? How does this keep happening? Who was that? Oh. Oh, jeez. Majima. What happened? Oh, God.
He punched me and I got knocked out and he hit me on the ground.
He got knocked out.
This shit always happens.
Oh.
It's fine. They're not gonna take me to the
Oh.
hospital.
Oh, God. All right, can you get up? Can you get up?
Let me try.
Oh, God.
Ah,
It's
no,
okay.
Wait, he's okay.
It's
No,
okay.
he's not.
I called them. It's alright.
Oh, God, we gotta...
It's alright.
Eh. Oh, God, let's take him back. Let's take him there.
He has a... Oh, no.
Let's take this guy's truck.
Why the truck?
Wait, I don't have the lockpick. I don't have a lock. You guys have a
I can give you
lockpick?
the key. I can give you the key.
All right, let me take him out of the truck.
Yeah,
I mean, if the EMS are coming, we can probably...
Oh.
Alright, they won't take me to the
Oh, God.
hospital.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
should probably wait for them.
Is this one
we gotta take him to the hospital.
They said that they were on the way. Oh, they said they were on the way.
Alright, they're not gonna.
Oh, wait, they're on the way?
Yeah,
They're
They're on
only
their
gonna
way.
put me back.
yeah, they responded.
Here, well, let's just put it back and wait for the EMS, see what they...
Yeah, we should probably.
Oh,
We probably
okay.
shouldn't move him just in case he bruised anything.
All right, let me move him back where he was.
Yeah,
Alright.
just carefully put him down like nothing.
Yeah, I'll move him back where he was since we shouldn't move him
Yeah.
too much. Oh, God. Oh, God, Majima, I'm gonna. Do you have a lockpick? I was gonna take it back to take that truck.
Alright, right there.
You can. What the?
Alright,
Thanks.
I'm not.
Oh, God. Oh, God. What on earth? 1, 4. Oh my God! Wait. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Are you towing this truck? Who is this guy?
Engine man. This is an engine man.
Who is this guy?
Oh my gosh, no!
Oh!
Oh no, you get away! You get away, sir!
Oh, God. Eh.
There is a down man.
Oh!
There is a down
Majima!
man.
Oh shit.
Georgia, back me up! Georgia, back me up!
Sir, I will not move.
Georgia, back me
I will
up!
stand my-
Oh my God! What is that? Oh God! Oh! Oh my God! Holy Jesus! The locals have gone crazy! The locals have gone crazy! Drive!
Just go. Get us out of this.
Drive, Majima! Why are there cops? No way that guy called the cops on us, right?
He did. That's why he was on the.
What do you mean he called the cops on us? Drive, Majima, we got stolen goods! Mel, what is this? What is this, Mel? Is this a scam?
Everything's gonna be fine.
Wait,
I've been
wait,
around a
wait.
lot.
What do you
of
mean
years.
everything's
I know how to
Mel,
talk
what
to
happened?
cops.
Is
If
this a
you pull
scam?
over, I'll explain
What happened with
everything and
this?
We'll be okay.
You have handcuffs on you, Melvin?
Drive,
No,
Majima!
yes, I am handcuffed. Here, pull
Why are
over.
you
I'll
Maji-
get us out of this. Watch.
Fuck
Just
no.
pull
I've
over.
got illegal
Trust
goods on
me.
me, Majima. We can't
They're
go
not
to
gonna-
prison.
Exactly. Listen, Majima, I'm 71 years
Oh
old.
my God,
Respect
Majima,
your
I just
elders,
got a
pull
Vinewood
over
house.
And let me explain everything.
Majima, we can't go to prison. I just got a Vinewood house.
Explain it to me
Me
right
and
now.
Majima,
Gloria just
you
got a
have to
Vinewood house.
Trust me. I'm
Just pull over.
71
We
years
gotta
old.
pull over. We
Okay,
can't lose him in
alright,
this
pull
car. Let's
over.
pull over. We'll talk to him. We'll talk to him.
Okay.
I think, Joseph, can you please pull over?
Just
for the
breathe,
cop,
okay?
please,
Yeah,
sir?
Majima, we'll just pull
Ready?
over.
I
We'll
got
pull
this.
over.
Pull it
Alright,
over.
pull him
Just
over.
pull over. We'll just talk to him. We'll talk to
Officer,
him.
It's all a misunderstanding.
Oh God.
Officer, this is all a misunderstanding.
Out the car, driver. Engine off to
Officer,
now.
this is
Okay.
all a misunderstanding.
He's got a gun.
Wait,
We just wanted
talk
to
to us
pull
fast.
over.
Just
Yeah,
talk to us
wait,
fast.
we can talk
We're
about
not
this. What's
pulling over to surrender.
Why do they
We're
have
pulling
guns?
over to tell you to go fuck yourself. Drive.
What? No, what do you mean? What? No, are you crazy? Officers, I wasn't part of this.
Angry fighter is a sloppy fighter.
Mel, what on earth was that? Mel, I thought you said you'd explain everything. You talked to them.
I did. I
You
did.
didn't explain anything. You just cursed at them. Now they're gonna be upset.
That's the point.
No, we
Mary.
can't even get away in this car. This
This
car's too slow.
Here, what is happening?
Jesus,
I thought you
oh
were
God,
doing
Gloria,
a for poor grandma.
Gloria, this is all. You're going to prison, Gloria.
There's
You're
one
going
thing
to
you need to
prison.
know.
Oh Jesus.
Georgia, old men are fucking crazy.
Oh God. Oh God.
I'll kill you.
That's an escalation.
Oh,
right
it
there.
says
I'm
contact
sure
the
we're
server.
gonna
It must
talk
be a
right now,
server
just
voice
been in a
issue.
situation Like this. What is happening?
Oh
What is
God,
happening?
I don't know what's happening.
Go move.
Mel, you said you talked to them. I thought, oh God, officer, I'm not part of this. I don't know what's happening, officer, help.
Listen, we
Oh God.
breach.
You guys
We
want actual
passing
advice?
you out of
Literally
What is happening?
everybody in this car other than Joseph is fine. So Joseph, if you'd like to
Majima.
hand your goods to someone else, literally everybody
Majima,
else is
I think
fine.
I
Joseph,
might
you're
have a
fucked.
getaway
You
car.
should have pulled over.
Majima, I have a
Everyone
getaway
else is
car in
fine.
Vinewood.
you.
I set it up at the house last time.
My goodness.
No, I know exactly where to do this.
Wait, you got a plan too? All right, go for your plan
Alright.
first. This will be the last. All right, ours will be the last resort.
All right, watch out.
Jesus.
We
I'll
can
give you.
go.
Oh God!
Please.
This was the worst plan, Majima. What?
I'm in a considerable amount of pain.
Oh my
Help,
gosh, Joseph,
help
I'm
up.
gonna-
You know what?
Hey Sherry.
No, this is you know. You know, I'm upset with you.
Wait, me?
Do I know
Why? I
what?
brought in a
I
customer.
can't
We'll
believe you.
contact
I
you
can't
soon.
believe you know.
I brought in a
Everything
customer.
we've been through.
What are you talking about?
It's coming soon. Don't
How
worry
could
about
you,
What
you
does
know?
he know that I
I thought we were
don't
good
understand.
friends.
What do you mean?
You didn't text me.
I thought we
Oh,
were
too
cool
many
friends,
people
you know?
clocked
What the
in.
fuck?
Oh. Huh?
How could you backstab
It's okay.
me
We
like
can
that?
be besties.
She doesn't even work here, I thought.
That's a little odd, isn't it?
All right.
Oh shit! Oh fuck!
What?
Oh my god!
What happened?
I think you ran someone over. That's what it felt like. You ran someone over, Mel.
Okay.
Are you? Should I go look?
Oh my God, Georgia, you know what we have to do?
What?
Georgia, get out of here, hurry.
You know the drill.
Oh my god.
You know the drill, Georgia. We gotta hide the evidence. Hurry.
Okay.
Bury him.
Come on. Get the shovel.
Georgia,
Get it out of
hurry.
the back.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Look, we can't go to prison. We can't go to prison, Georgia.
I'm so sorry. They told me to do it. I have to do it. I'm so sorry.
What?
What?
Wait, this was her idea. She was the one driving.
Wait, I'm not driving.
Wait, we're trying to cover for you, Georgia. What do you?
And you wanted to cover the body up.
Yeah, Mel told me you were driving.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Oh
Who else are you
God.
driving? Here, I'm
Are
going
you okay,
to make a
Sid?
quick phone call.